Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hi everyone, today I'm complicating my life by trying to make several things to make a resin keychain ocean, a resin pen ocean, and resin bookmark ocean set in pink and blue, using also this alphabet mold. So we have several molds, and these are for doing the various trinkets, to make the caps for the pens. And to see how I've done that, please check the card above on that video on how to make the resin pen cap. At the same time, we're going to try use some cute embellishments, and I have shared before other resin pens, different designs. Check the card above or in the resin playlist. We're going to use these different molds, and whatever I've used here, I'm going to link it in the description box below if you'd like to get yourself a set. And that goes into part of my affiliate marketing. And we are also going to use the Picasso Rose Whip and the manganese blue Picasso alcohol inks. And we are also going to use some craft sand, whatever sand you'd like to use, and some embellishments and some aurora beads. And so I'm going to wear my mask and gloves and my shield, and then we'll do this step by step together. I hope this video won't be too long, and if you like what I've shared here, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out future videos. And to see how these look, you know, when we are packaging them, maybe when the clients receive them, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Megwe Inspires. So keep watching. they have now cured enough. And so what I'm going to do is add the letters that I've created. And to see how I do this, please check the card above where I shared with you the reusable pens like this, and also how, if you saw before they had a straw and the white, check the card above, the reusable pen. So we're going to add in the names in all our pieces. Just give me a minute. Like this. Because we are personalizing them. And I have several other videos in my playlist on different designs of keychains, bookmarks, pens. So please check them out. Okay. Okay, that's one. And then I'm going to do all the others. I've also decided to add just a few more embellishments. We have some jellyfish. So I'll just add in there. Or change it up. Whatever. So use what you have with you. I hope you're liking what we're doing, and if you do, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out future videos. And to see maybe like how these are or how I package them, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Juliet Migwe Inspire. So let's top it up with resin, we demold together and finalize this lovely project. Our different pieces have cured. Let's demold this. I really love them. I don't know if you can see. Let me try bring one near. You can see the letters, the alphabets on each. But you'll see it later on a close-up, like when we finish fixing them together and I'm showing you how they look. There's this edge. You see this edge that is protruding? So what I'll do is I'll use my debarring tool like this and just remove what is excess on the sides, and then to just retain the heart shape. And so remember to watch till the end when I put it together. Let's demold this. I love how they've turned out. Look at the back. There's a client who wanted to see how they normally look at the back. They're nice and smooth. Look at that. Look at that. Let's demold this. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. And the little, look at that, and the little embellishments. Let's continue. As we demold this last one, remember to stay till the end. Yes, we're demolding, but so that I show you how I fix them together. And please subscribe and press the notification bell if you like what we've done so far. And I've done so many more of keychains, bookmarks, and pens, and with more detail in the playlist, resin playlist. So check those videos, check the card above. But also to see, for example, how I will package this for the client, please follow me on Instagram. So let's demold this. Oh, don't know why this J is stuck. Okay. All right. Look at that. I love. Oh, look at how those pieces are floating. Let's put it together, but I love the colors and how they've come out. I'll show you close-ups so that you can see nicely in the video when I've put it together with the keychains and show you close-ups. So stay till the end.